Okay, so the car sickness continues. Today's project is a 1956 Plymouth Savoy V8. I don't know which V8 this is. It's poly. It's polysphere motor. You can tell by the valve covers, but they had about 4 or 5 different flavors in this year. As you can tell, I've been vacuuming it up and trying to clean out all the pack rat material, and some chucklehead's taking the hood off. We figured out who he was, and he said he did have it, so I'd seen this car about 3 years ago, and I swore it had a hood on it because I lifted it off, it was unbolted, but he confirmed he had it, so that sucks. But got the cool old air cleaner here sitting on my oil catch pan. High Fire. There's some other cool emblems on there, and then we got a cool daughter here. So she's taking pictures on the watch. And see, we have our beautiful Savoy script here. Give you a kind of broader view of the old girl. The M37's trying to get in the way the best it can. We got the old shin buster here. Clearly this car had enough power to tow.
Hey, Daddy.
But she's very, very straight. And all the glass is in it. We do have cracked glass in 2 windows, but I can source those at the same place that the car came from. I just didn't have time to pull them. And then the windshield is also broken, but he had another car and we pulled the windshield on it, and so I've got a good windshield. Well, she wants to show you mommy here. She's doing her best to ruin my video. So here is the new windshield, old windshield we pulled, and we still have a lot of stuff to clean in here. Lots of raccoon activity in here, probably little mating activity, little nocturnal emissions, and definitely some rectal emissions. I'll show you up in here in the front. A lot of the trim is sitting in here, so that's great. Got a couple of headlights for it from the wrecking yard while we were at it. And for some reason I have an extra headliner bow in here. The headliner is in it, so to speak, but not to win it. Looks like we're missing our dome light lens. Fantastic. Maybe I'll find it in the mess. Got our old liquid fire jug in here. Petrie Family Estate, pure California. Alcohol 13% by volume. Interesting, huh? So let's show you the inside here. The seat could be recovered at this point. Still got the jute fibers and stuff, but somebody's unfortunately broken all of our glass out of this. Glove box is still in it. This was my doing by accident last night, but I don't really care too much about that. And then I think these are pieces to the glove box latch here or something. Making a video, Yenny. So that would go here. I don't know where the other piece is, but like I say, maybe we'll get real lucky and find it. The car is very straight, as you can tell. So I think we'll end this video here and get it cleaned up, and maybe do a follow-up and show you the carnage we find. I can already see daylight through the floor here, so I'm expecting some real fun, just like we've had on the 48. And lots and lots of feces. This is Reaper signing off on another one.